In this video, I will show you how to use Bitget coupons. So as you can see, I am in the Bitget website right now. You can follow along both on the desktop side and in the mobile app. So what you want to do is to go to your profile in the top right corner and go to dashboard by clicking right here. Now when you do that, it will take you right here. And in the left hand side, you can see coupons. So go ahead and click on coupons. And here you can see all of your coupons. So for me, as you can see, these are expired because I created my account a while back, but these are available if you created your account not very long ago. So to use them, just click on use or claim. And these are basically deduction coupons for your trading fees. So for example, for this one, you will get 50% off your trading fees worth up to 50 USDT. So go ahead and click on use, and this will be deducted from your trading fees automatically. So basically just go to the coupons page right here and click on claim on one of these coupons and they will be used automatically. So that's how to use Bitget coupon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.